More than ever, it's totally possible to earn a real income selling online courses. You can convert your knowledge into an asset and earn passive income, all while reaching thousands of people. But if you're launching an online course for the first time, you're probably afraid that overpricing will prevent people from buying what you have to offer. The good news is that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, charging more for your online course will lead to more engaged students, fewer complaints, and more overall revenue. Most first-time course creators set their course price very low, less than $100. But at Teachable, we've pulled data on our tens of thousands of successful course creators and found that the most successful schools actually charge closer to $300. Here are 7 reasons why you should charge more than $100 for your next online course. Reason number 1, premium pricing communicates value. People will believe that a $200 course will bring them greater value than a $20 course will. Even if you're promising the same result in both courses, people might be skeptical about the cheaper one and won't trust it. For example, if someone offered you a $60 bicycle or a $600 bicycle, which one would you choose? Probably the price that conveys long-term value. Reason number 2, people value education. Even if your online course is on a fun topic like watercolor painting, people are willing to invest serious money in gaining the knowledge they need to succeed. If you have valuable information that will help someone on their life journey, they're likely willing to pay a little bit more for that knowledge. Reason number 3, you're creating a shortcut to an outcome. Maybe some of the knowledge you offer is out there, but you're presenting it in a digestible, easy to understand way. Even more importantly, you're providing a shortcut to your students' desired outcome. No one wants to scour the internet for 3 days when they could take your course in 2 hours. Reason number 4, people expect to pay more. Unlike online products like ebooks or resource libraries, people are primed more to spend on online courses. That's because you're giving them such a wealth of information. Reason number 5, your revenue goals will be easier to meet. When you're selling a course at a low price point, you'll need a lot of students to reach your income goals. That means you'll also have to find a larger audience. By charging a higher price point, you'll be able to devote that time to your existing students and improving your course. Reason number 6, premium pricing increases engagement. When people spend more on a course, they're more likely to complete that course and engage with it. If they impulsively buy a $20 course, they might open it once and never think about it again. On the other hand, $200 will be seen as an investment. Reason number 7, you deserve to make more. Online courses take time, energy, and dedication to make. You deserve to be compensated fairly for the effort you put into your online course. Now that you know you should charge a minimum of $100, what's the right amount to actually charge? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Teachable is an online course creation platform. We've worked with thousands of online instructors and witnessed firsthand which pricing is the most effective. Check out the link in the bio to access your own online course pricing calculator and find out the ideal price for your course with Teachable.